Hi, Rubini. What are you up to?
Oh, hi. I'm just gathering some ingredients to show the children this week in class.
Oh, cool. What's the activity you'll be doing?
Oh, we are making biryani.
Oh, my favorite. Do you like cooking?
I love it because I get to eat it right after.
So, tell us what you do in school.
I'm a Tamil language educator to preschoolers.
What do you love about it?
I love that I get to weave in our culture as I'm teaching the children.
And how do you do that?
I don't only teach children to read and write, but I also introduce them to Indian music, food, and festivals.
Why is that important to you?
It is important because Tamil language is beautiful and we do not want it to be forgotten. Mother tongue languages are the bridges to our precious heritage.
Absolutely. What's the goal?
The goal is for children to love their language and make it part of their identity. Come, let's go!
What's your strategy to achieving that goal?
It's the triple E's: enjoy, experience, and express.
Oh, wow, look at all these fresh ingredients. So, what does that look like?
It's incorporating culture in and out of the classroom. So when we are outdoors, I introduce children to columns on the floor. When we are indoors and learning about music, I introduce children to Indian traditional instruments.
Can you give a recent example?
Yes, I play a variety of Indian drums. So recently, I introduced my children to an Indian festival called Pongal, and I drummed along to the songs that we learned together.
That's amazing. What was it like when you first started?
Oh, disastrous.
Oh, what happened?
At that point of time, I felt really unfit for the job.
And what helped you overcome that?
My diploma classmates, we were all new teachers at that point of time. So we encouraged each other along the way.
And how did it shape you?
It made me more resilient and inspired me to support new teachers. This year, I started an initiative for Tamil language educators and offer targeted support.
Oh, okay. So, what's a powerful encounter you had?
I journeyed with a child and her family who was going through a tough period of time. One day, her mom came up to me, she thanked me, and told me that I would make a great mother someday. It was heartwarming.
That's so sweet. What would you say to your younger self?
Trust the process, it will get better. Or you will get stronger, but trust the process.